Now on page 9, there's this example. When you're calculating slope, you know that your slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You go ahead and label your points, and then we substitute after we set up our little division sign. So we get 9 minus 9 in the numerator from our y's. From our x, we get 3 minus 5. When we go ahead and calculate this, you're going to notice that we get 0 in the numerator because 9 minus 9 is 0. And so then in the denominator, we get a negative 2. Well, this is super important to remember. If you get a 0 on top, that means your answer for the slope is 0, because 0 divided by anything is going to give me 0. So 0 on top, like the almighty king, the queen of the world, right, top of the mountain, it's 0. 0 wins. You have to you have to simplify this though. We need to understand and see that it goes down to a 0. This is different if you ended up, let's say you get m equals some number over 0. Well, when 0 is underneath, right, at the bottom, then the answer is undefined. That's what you would literally write. Remember those straight lines up and down when you're identifying slope? Well, this is how you get that. When you're calculating it, it's because 0 is underneath. You have to write undefined. You cannot leave it like this. So again, these two answers are very different. Dividing by 0 is not possible. That is why you get undefined. But when 0 is on top, that is when you get 0 as the final answer. So go ahead and copy this down somewhere so you have that note and the difference between these two.